Hey guys, it's Jason here, Olde Carr Guy. If you don't know who I am, well, I feature quite a bit of Panther platform content on my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to be showing you some unique headlight replacements for a Grand Marquis that all you Grand Marquis owners have been waiting for. So stay tuned. So about 3 years ago, when we bought this 2004 Grand Marquis, the aftermarket headlights and cornering lights were about 3 times as expensive as they were for the Crown Vic. We recently upgraded to these. The cost wasn't too bad, and I'm going to show you how to change them out. So all you're going to need for this is a 8mm socket, an 11mm socket, and a ratchet, air ratchet, or a hand ratchet. Let's get into it. So first thing we got to do is we got to loosen up the header cover and get it removed. Now, unlike the Crown Vics, these do not have the keyed locking mechanism that you just pull out and the headlight goes out that way. These have 3 8mm bolts that hold them in place. So let's get those out. And this one down here is already missing because, well, I've had them out before and I dropped it. Lost it. Now you're going to have to unplug the headlight at this harness. And that will come out with your headlight. Before you get going too much further, the 2 11mm bolts that hold the side marker light in are here, and your ratchet should fit right down in there. So let's get them loosened up so that it's not in the way. And be careful not to drop them. So now that those bolts are loosened up, all you're going to do is you're going to lift out like so and then pull towards you because it's just pressure fit on the back of the fender. Just like that. So one thing that helps lock this into place is this little tab. So you're going to press down on it and just kind of use your finger to push the headlight forward. Then you've got to wiggle it out of place because it's going to want to be stuck on the header panel here as well as the bumper and the grille. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, you are going to struggle with this a little bit. Now all we've got to do is grab our new lights, reverse the process, and get them into place. Once you've wrestled that back in there, you just slide everything into place. And if that little locking clip does break, no worries. You can still use your bolts to hold it in place. Now we can unplug the lights from our cornering and our turn signal. And these are just locked in there with this little plastic tab. Reverse the process, lock them in. And remember the tab here, I told you to pull forward when you were disassembling it. You got to start out here and push it into place. Make sure that your little rubber gasket goes up the whole way. Now we can put our 11mm nuts back on. Switch back to your 8mm with the extension and tighten up these bolts that hold the headlight in. Don't forget to plug in your connector. And before you put your cover back into place, you're going to want to check the alignment. And in order to adjust the headlights up and down is this bolt right here. It's a 4mm socket, or maybe you can just get a pair of pliers on it. Now we can go ahead and reinstall our header cover. Close the hood, and we're done. So there's both headlights installed on this 2004 Mercury Grand Marquis. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see more Panther content, go ahead and like this video and hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you guys. Stay focused on the windshield, not the rearview mirror. I love you. God bless. We'll do it again in the next video.